Ever feel like your internet is way slower than what you're paying for? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to accurately check your internet speed using Ookla Speedtest and what those numbers actually mean. First, head over to www.speedtest.net in your browser. If you're on mobile, you can download the Speedtest by Ookla app from the Play Store or App Store. Once you're on the site or app, just hit the big Go button. The test will check 3 important things: ping, download speed, and upload speed. Ping. Lower is better. If it's high, you might experience lag in gaming or video calls. Download speed. How fast you receive data. Upload speed. How fast you send data. If your speed is lower than expected, try these quick fixes. Restart your router. Move closer to your Wi-Fi router. Use an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. Check for background apps consuming bandwidth. Contact your ISP if speeds are way off from your plan. And that's how you test your internet speed like a pro. Let me know in the comments what speed you got. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech tips.